Okay, hello. We are doing, go back here, lesson 8.2, which is now we're going to start talking about installment loans. So here's a joke for you. What did the science book say to the math book? You got problems. Ha ha ha. So what you will need before you watch this video is your notes, calculator, and a pencil. Okay, you're going to calculate the down payment, the amount financed into an installment loan. Remember, installment loans are ones that you pay on every month. Okay, so a loan you repay in equal payments over a specified period of time. These are like mortgages, cars, they're large amounts that you can't pay off like a one-time loan. You pay off every month. Most of the time, you will need to put on a down payment on these loans. That's the portion of cash price of an item you are purchasing by which you pay before financing the rest on credit. Usually required when purchasing an item in an installment loan. So you usually have to go in. If you're buying a car, you have to have a down payment. Buying a house, you need a down payment. And the amount financed is the portion of the cash price owed after making the down payment. So, we already talked a little bit about installment loans, but there are two formulas. So you need to write this in yours. So I put in here cash price subtract down payment. So you need to add that to your notes equals the amount financed, and the down payment is the cash price times the percent. So most of the time you have to know the down payment will either be given to you. Let's say it'll say $200, or it'll say 20%, which means you're going to have to multiply, okay, the cash price times the percent to get the down payment, and then do this next step. So you might need to write yourself some notes on your Chapter 8 notes. Let's look at some examples. Trudy Quintero is buying gym equipment for $1,399. She makes $199 down payment and finances the remainder. How much does she finance? So when it just gives you a price, that's all you're doing. Is you're taking this, subtract this. So 1,390, subtract 199, and you get, this is the amount she's going to pay. Okay, pause the video, work number 1 and 2, and then I will work number 1 and 2. Great, let's show you how to do this. We're just going to follow the formula. Cash price, subtract the down payment. So the cash price for this is 1,999.99. And my down payment, it says it here, down payment is 199.99. So I will pay $1,800 for those concert tickets. Bernatelli Dentistry purchased new equipment for $3,950. The down payment was $150. So again, looking at my formula, 3,950 is my cash price. I'm going to subtract my down payment, and I get 3,800. Okay, that's all you need to do for those. Now, the other kind of problem you're going to get is it's going to tell you a percent. So Rose and Clay purchased a previously owned piano for $1,140 using the store's installment credit plan. She made a 20% down payment and financed the remaining amount. What amount did she finance? So this, we aren't given the down payment. We have to figure that out, okay? So I need to multiply, right? So I'm taking the cash price times 20%, and I get this. And then once I have this, then I'm doing what we did in the example 1, just subtracting, okay? So this is just a way to do it on your calculator with if you to use the 20%, and then it does the memory. So That's all that's telling us. So again, here's two problems. Go ahead and pause the video and do them. And then we'll do them together. Great. Let's do number 3. Antonio Riaz purchased an antique chest for $1,360 cash price. He made 20% down payment. So first I have to take 1,360 times 20% because I don't know how much my down payment is, and I get 272. But then I need to find the amount financed. So then I'm just doing this, subtract the amount I'm already paid, and this is the amount of my loan then. This is the amount financed. Number 2, Maya DiNardo purchased a diamond bracelet for $1,725. The down payment was 30%. So again, I'm going to look at my formulas, and when I don't know the down payment because it's in percent form, I'm going to have to multiply and find the percent of a number, which is $517.80. Then I will take this, subtract, oh, I'm sorry, $517.50. Can't read my own writing. And I'm going to subtract then, that's the next step. And then this is how much I would finance. Hopefully it's $750. Okay, so the problems for 8.2 will either be just subtracting or then multiplying and subtracting. Have a great, wonderful, terrific day.